Hello everybody, my name is Ibrahim Wattar, aka Ibi Wat, and look what I have here with me today. The iPhone 12 Pro Max in the sexiest of all the colors, the Pacific Blue. You don't know how long I've been waiting for this phone. I was literally sitting in front of the door watching the UPS driver until he came and dropped this beautiful thing at my door. I haven't unboxed it yet. You can see the wrapper is still there. We're gonna unbox this together, that's why. So I can't wait no longer, so let's just go and unbox this thing. Okay, let's get this started. You know, you always have the fancy, beautiful Apple. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Let's put this on the side. Ooh, baby. Look at that freaking beauty. Oh my god. That's a sexy phone, man. And so, as you know, the iPhone 12 Pro Max obviously is the biggest of the bunch. The big screen, the larger lenses, and as you can see, the boxes are now way thinner than they used to be. You've got boxes that are way thinner, and the box design is so beautiful, man. Oop, don't want to drop the phone. And the phone is pretty much almost the same size as the box. The box is just slightly, ever so slightly bigger. Let's move this even more out to the side. Keep it nice and clean. So, woo. Are we ready? Oh my god, I am so scared. Oh, look at those beautiful sides right there. Look at that. That is gorgeous right there. If you could see my face right now, I'm going insane. I'm losing my mind. Ooh. The beautiful satisfaction of removing this. Oh my. Oh. Wow. Look at how shiny this thing is. This is as shiny as they come. And what I like about it is you have this like nice matte soft finish. I'm like trying my best right now not to drop this phone. I really don't want to drop this phone. I've got this nice matte finish, the raised edges for the camera. It's a really thin phone, feels so much better in the hands. Oh my god, look how beautiful. You can already see, I'm pretty sure you can already see fingerprints. This is like a fingerprint magnet right here. Let's put this on the side for now. Let's put it over here. And the biggest pet peeve of them all. What's inside the box? You've got just the minimal, you know, stickers, the, what's it called? The SIM discard tool, of course. You've got your SIM discard tool right here. Your Apple sticker, a very small instruction manual, but we all know how to use these things. And you've got your cable without the freaking power brick. Because hey, they want us to buy the power brick, and in my case, I'm not gonna buy it. I might buy it later to get faster charging, but the chargers I have at home work just fine. The chargers I have at home work just fine. I don't necessarily need to buy it, but I'll buy it for I'll buy the 20 watt, or you can buy just third-party ones off of Amazon or something like that. You don't necessarily need to buy the freaking Apple power brick. You know, if you want to, you can, but. And pretty much that's it. Like, the unboxing experience is now super simple because Apple doesn't want to really put much in the box. So you've got this, you've got a slim box right here. You've got the beautiful, shiny, glistening phone. Let's see if we can power this up. Let's click the power button. Is there any power in this thing? Ooh, it's turning on. Let's leave it there then. And now, because Apple wants to be environmentally friendly, you see how everything is made of these environmentally friendly material instead of the plastics. So they're using all that stuff. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yes. Man, this screen feels so much better. So I'm upgrading from the XS Max and this feels gorgeous. This screen is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a beautiful screen. I still have to set it up because obviously I'm filming with my XS Max actually, so if I attempt to you know, put this whole thing together and set it up and transfer, and Apple makes it so easy to transfer information from one phone to another, so that might take me just about an hour, just because I have a lot of apps on my phone, like a ton of apps. But in another video I will be putting it, because I'm not psycho, I'm going to put this in a case. I would be insane carrying this without a case. It feels so beautiful and so gorgeous. I would love to carry it without a case, but come on, like, you gotta have guts to carry this thing without a case. Like, I'm getting a clear case though, trying it out, and I'll put that case on the phone in the next video, and maybe even leave a link to some cases. But for now, this was the unboxing experience. Pretty simple, but I wanted to show you the elegancy of this stainless steel around it that looks so beautiful, but gathers fingerprints like crazy. So definitely have to clean it up and put it inside a case. Okay, so there you have it. We unboxed the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am so scared carrying this thing. I'm like, oh, please don't fall, please don't fall. This stainless steel is absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love with the way this phone feels in my hand. We know that in terms of the cameras, it's got the highest end cameras, and I'll be putting the more detailed specs right now. So I'll definitely be testing this out, taking some videos, taking some pictures outside in low light, especially with the new LiDAR camera here. It will basically help with detecting light better and creating better actually autofocus when you're taking pictures in low light, because sometimes the older phones will struggle with trying to find a subject in low light. This will definitely help you with doing that, so I'm definitely excited to try that as well. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, and I'll see you on the next one then. Peace.